certain man, when you don't know who now worried already, them a go lick you know. You hear? Who know only body in a park lane and bad for screech up on some little ones. Pussy, me tell us, but don't tell you already from common sense, 100 park lane and no, me not say nothing to no, me not call no name for no. Cause name me no want hear pussy. Suck no matter just know so when you're dead. Oh. When you no run, no common. Pussy.
Self,
Suck
look, pussy. I don't know, make no money, man. My friend them rich. No boy try this, my friend too. More than 1,000 rifle fire for him. Now.
Father God, I thank you for your blessings and I thank you for your coverage over my life and my family and my friends and everyone that I know within my knowledge. So people, this morning we come to talk about them youth here. It's like them youth here can't hear, them not learn. It's like when you tell them a thing, it go through one ears and come through the other ears. So in the topic, another Tik Tok lost his life again after Bossed, Naya, and another one. This is the third one to face his demise. So these youth out here on TikTok, I don't know how them not understand the term reclusive, make themselves become more reclusive to the media and social media. This youth here, them call him One Babas King. And you know that he's the son of a well-known artist who goes by the name of Ja Mason. I don't know if you don't know him, but him sing the song called If Love's So Nice, Tell Me Why It Hurts So Bad. Him. So this is youth here, One Babas King. Me have a video. Me not go play the video when him get shot, but me have some videos with some people attack as it pertains to him and the live with him depend when him get shot. But I have a video before his demise and a video showing that these youths, them not understand where they might get themselves in. Them a push badness, them a preach badness, them a mix up in a wrong thing, and at this it reach to. You don't know, say, youths and youths out there push badness. You don't know, say, one way in, one way out. There's no two way in, two way out to the badness. Or maybe to say, you go to jail, but when your enemy find you, your enemy go do your way him need for do you. So, me I go play a clippings. I want you to stick around, stay tuned, and don't move a muscle. Because, trust me, I don't know how I'm to Jamaica and I'm youth, you know. It's like the youths of tomorrow are not living to see the age of 2025. Gone were the days when you see old people are get old. It come like them your youth and I get old again. This technology damage them youth mental state. It damage them mindset. I don't know where them youth Them youth need to find another way out, get a job, go get a skill, go do something. Nowadays, it's like nobody no want to work no more. Everybody want to become this lazy person. Nobody no want no skill. Nobody no want no job, no 9 to 5. Everybody want scammer. Everybody want chop the line. Everybody just want life easy. When life is not so much of easy. People, Jaja.
Yo, man, we done the home over them dead man. Them boy, and watch out. No, watch it. Watch it. Pro boxer jive by itself, brother. Look. Pro boxer jive by itself. Look. Pussy. I don't know, make no money, man. My friend them rich. No boy try this, my friend too. More than 1,000 rifle fire for him. Now,
I play that clippings to make you understand and get the drift at the road where them youth choose for walk pan. Now, Junior Gang have a song where it goes like this: speak life, live a humble and meek life. And I get to realize that them youth are not take heed, them not take telling. Now, this are youth are upon alive people, alive, and the way how the killer pull up on the man, the youth. Because I'm a big man, this, I look up boy this. The way how the smarty pull up on the youth, on the live Jaja people, it's unbelievable. It's like you're watching a movie because the man pull up on this youth so calmly, like a real professional criminal, while someone was sitting there at a stall and just shot the youth in his head. When the youth drop a ground, more shot him, give him over must be about 15 shot or 12 shot the youth get. Jaja people, them youth, it's like them choose a part and realize that, yo, una have to protect una bat, you know. Uno have to protect uno 3 pints because uno and people out here in a war, and uno a war with people, and them thing happen. So the incident took place up at Red Hills Road. Red Hills it go on. So me hear say Red Hills at but Jaja, them youth here. Me no know. Me I play some clippings with some people. I talk about the whole incident and what go on. So check this out, people.
Now one more TikToker get gunned down while in my live stream. And this thing where TikTokers are get killed while in my live stream, it come like it's a trend now, brother. And the man them go live and have to be careful of our surroundings. You know, careful on not showing at the back when I go live, location leak and all of that something there. Now TikTokers will go live and I have to just be careful, I swear. Because now it come like every month or every 2 months, one TikToker dead by a gunshot. The killing are different, I swear. Normally we'd have to assume, oh, it's done or, you know, if him run off or live stream capture everything. And after a man, you know, shoot him in him back, dog, go over him and make sure him dead. And the live, I mean, I tell you, the TikTok live capture everything. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. So like I said before, youths, we go live on a regular. Be careful, go on the, you know, the location. And behind while they're on the live stream, no distinguish element or object man can look and say, oh, you know, say come like a speed in him there. No man, already is that. You know what I mean? No, that look like a mobile. Now be careful, bad man. You hombre. Rest up youth, so you go, R.I.P.
Now you see TikTok came about into this prominent time. But you know what it is? These youths, they are mixed up in the wrong things. They might take part in the wrong things. But because them so accustomed to this lifestyle of being on TikTok and boom, shot me a road, shot me a wheel, shot me a this, shot me a that, swipe, snipe, chat, snipe this, give me a snipe, that them become so accustomed to that. So them dabble in the badness and realize say, yo, you can't dabble in a badness and they on TikTok live but chat, snipe, chat this, chat that. Is either you choose one I wrote them in a brother. Is either and not just him. Cause him gone already. But the other youth, them were out there. They were there in a badness and about them are take on this TikTok live because them want the little shillings that TikTok offer them. But choose the road where you want. And you see, if I the bad man road you want, you don't know where it come with already. You don't know where it come with.
Empress, we on the last piece.
Yo, it come like if you live past 15 in a Jamaica, a whole heap of years you live because the youth them barely are past 20 years old. Literally. Viewers, the youth they lose him life today on Red Hills Road. Him name Baba Skeng. Him there live on TikTok when you see the man in the black, this man in the black, walk up behind him and shoot him multiple times. Baba Skeng was unaware, him not look around, him not observe where him there. Him just tune into TikTok and that's how the person walk up behind him and take him live. If you want to see the video, go on Google, search for mountain.com, watch the video on that website. If you want to get the video as them drop, you can join my WhatsApp group. When you go on the website, you will see it all over the website. Say join Mountain WhatsApp group here by clicking here. Just click any button you say join the WhatsApp group. Zine, and you get the video them instantly without you have to go to the website. However, please leave your condolences in the comment section below for Baba Skeng. We don't know the reason or the motive behind this killing, but all we know say this is like the 5th Jamaican TikToker I lose them live on live stream. We have Naya, we have Bossed, we have the youth in Alman Town, Baba Skeng that are today, and we have the youth down at Trelawney. Viewers are like 5 that people, literally 5 that TikToker lose them live on live stream. Governor D say live lead to live runs, youth to stop it. Cause when they live on TikTok, literally like give them on a live location, them know exactly where on they pinpoint like on the live people and even not observe on the surroundings. You see me I say? I don't know Baba Skeng personally, I don't know what him do, make this happen to him, but the youth them life just a go away so people. I not tell no lie. Bro, no give no life to God, bro. Think time I cut short now, bro. Literally. The elder them not even lose them life like the young people them.
When me just say people, when me just say the elders them now lose them life like them young people, yeah. So what? It is safe to say there won't be the youths of tomorrow. There won't be the youths of tomorrow because these are the same underage youths. The 21, the 22 and Probably they have 20, neither 18, 19. These are the same youths that are losing their lives to crime and violence because they don't see nowhere out. This is where them grow up in. I hit the same thing them come double in. So, Jaja, me no know I want to go to Jamaica. The crime rate I go down in a sense, but at the same time, it's like these youths love to spike it up. It's like them love to see it go up. Not no nice like when them see the crime rate go up. Them begs when them see it go down. Yo, something needs to be done, man. Something needs to be done.
Sometimes it's best you just lock with yourself, just isolate yourself. Stay antisocial as much as possible because mankind mind just corrupt. But just watch TikToker, Baba's King, pick up maybe about 1 dozen binds. All the man do, the man just dead him and him bridging a whole a vibe, play 2 game, full joy themselves, and a man just walk down upon him and give him about 1 dozen live, broad daylight. And when you keep it realistic about Jamaica, the crime and the violence in the country, people say you're negative. People say you talk bad about your country, but at the end of the day, you're just being honest. Hombre, on the need to relax. On other every single thing on the power for go prison or dead house. If you eat a man food today, 8 out of 10 times, a man family member in Bridging come back and eat your food. The earth is a cycle. What goes around comes back around.
Hold on there. What the man just say? So all them are going like say being antisocial and something good. All them are going like say being reclusive, staying to yourself, be careful of your surrounding no good. All them are going like say on a good thing that people out here be by themselves and stick to themselves. They must say on something good. You need to be more socialized. You need to be more out there spreading your influence to the world and whatever. The world we live in is a cool world. Cool world. And them youth and all learn. Don't for them youth and all learn. And trust me, people. You have innocent people out there dead to the same way, Hold on there. Me not even did know say over 5 people dead on TikTok live now. Over 5 people get analyzed on TikTok live. I never know that. Jaja people like this are going in Jamaica. You see, mindset of Jamaicans and them Jamaicans youth, yeah, it shift. The mindset with them have right now, it's unfathomable, bro, because Jano can't phantom all them youth and meds more time. It's like them bring matches box a one way them see things one way and just the badness some of the time. Give thanks to some of the youths them and the girls them out the way left school with a good education and I do great things out here in our world because trust me, it's more of these youths dying than more people surviving. Me not understand.
Blood clot, I tell you, you see what go on.
Awa.
You know see what go on with Baba J, with Baba's King.
Bumbo clot. Me see last night when me I got me bed. But me never know who.
I tell you, sad.
I just one little piece of sit me see with 2 pictures. Me I say me I put 2 and 2 together. Me see when the dog like what.
Why you see the whole altercation?
You see what? See,
Bro, me say brawling with that finaya.
Jano, you fuck up.
I think we need I need all of us as Jamaicans to have a prayer meeting for this place. Me
So
think,
what are they? Where you come from?
I think Red Hills Road.
Oh.
Yeah, I think the Jamaicans need to have a prayer service, man, and just invite back God in a thing. You know them little weird there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, open them hearts to the Almighty, you know? Like, bro, let me tell you something. You see, when God in a thing, it care nice. You understand me? You see, for once a Satan in a thing, it a go cause all kind of turmoil and destruction. You understand me? We have to invite the Lord back into this. You understand me? I said, you have to, the most of them have to consecrate them soul. Pray and ask God for the deliverance for this year up here. You understand me? The people who take this serious over here I think them need to have a worship. You understand me? A worship. I want time I say worship, me no mean none of the fake shit them what them do for gifts and them thing there. You understand me? Like a real intervention, like to say, all right, let's invite the Lord back into the vlogging. Let's invite the Lord back into our lives. Let's invite the Lord back into a clean mind space. You know what I'm looking weird there? We have to do that, bro, because if you don't realize, true God no in anything, it thing really a fuck up. You understand what I deal with me, G? Because, bro, you see, anyway, Father God there, so much turmoil no go on with them, boy. You understand what I deal with?
I no joke.
Yeah, man. You see, for once God involved, everything smooth, everything nice. Me, I tell you that. At first, and me know that, me see that, me know for myself. So for once you invite God and say, all right, God, are you me a work with? Are you me a follow? Everything sweet, man. No, too much spiciness. Too much.
Too ranchy.
Yes, man. You fuck up in our little fuck up with your dog.
Yeah, no.
When we get to realize, it's like the youths of this generation, them get darker than the usual. Nobody no believe in a God anymore. You not hear them youth here chant about God. God bless the few youths them out the way believe in a God and believe in the spirit that dwells within each other, each person. But it's like them youth here in this generation here, no God not there again. You not see no fire blaze again. Nobody now chant the psalms them again like that. Everybody want this fast cash, this fast money, this lifestyle. And when we get to understand and come to the conclusion is that it's a cultural thing. And people afraid to acknowledge say it's a cultural thing and it's a black people thing because black man love kill off them one another. Black man no likes one another. Black man rise. You step on a man to him want shoot you. And so be it. But Jaja God, me get to realize say, yo, me no know what go on for the nation. The nation is like, when you think it for elevate it and go backwards, every time them try to elevate, somebody is in the batch trying to go backwards with the wrong. And then youth here, now take no telling. Them youth are not even see themselves growing old, like seeing old people in them neighborhood are grow old. Them not see themselves growing that. It's like them are dead out. More time, it's good for escape the old crime lobby. It's good to escape the old crime lobby because when you escape it, you get to see life different out there. You get better opportunities or more opportunities. You get to live a little longer. No more than a little old age or sickness take you. But with this old crime lobby in a Jamaican, bro, it's hard. It's hard to survive. It's hard. And them youth, as me said, them are mixed up in the wrong thing. The wrong thing. It's like them get exposed to all of this badness and gun thing with even the lyrics and the gun and them something there. But it's like them get exposed to this thing where I carry them down the line of destruction.
TikToker gets on a live on his live stream. This is really getting out of hand now. Sheesh.
Them and this and them and that. Because what? My lord, do not go upon the radar. Zine, upon the radar, we not go. Zine, so somebody needs to take on a phone from you. Zine, bag of fool and bottom prize, somebody needs to take on a phone from you. Because you're not doing a good job, we don't know job. Zine, on a job, on a so a bad boy. So be bad boy. One of them on social media tell people suck them motherfucker. That's another bad boy thing, brother. Me tell you so now, waste man. You hear that? You hear me say? Me tell you so now, waste man. You see me? When a waste man pussy. And you no go and run on off on the mouth. The man, them certain man, when they don't know who now worried already, them a go lick you know. You hear? Who only body in a park lane and bad for screech up on some little ones. Pussy, me tell us, but don't tell you already from common sense, 100 park lane and no, me not say nothing to them, I not call no name for no. Cause name I no want hear pussy. Suck no matter does know so when you're dead. Oh. When you not run no common pussy. Suck your mother cause I don't know the ground set. And you can't tell me about the ground. You can't tell me about the ground cause guess what go on. The killer them now come on no internet and do it. Una look internet clown. Uno at the look.
No, that person sound like a person who come from the vicinity. Like him know the ins and outs with what go on in our community. Me nah go classify him and say him probably a bad man too or him probably in the badness too. But this person, yeah, him not show him face, but you can clearly listen him and see the agenda and know say him know what take place in our community and him know a few things. So I might say like that person they probably know what go down very, but at the same time, me not know. I mean, not just assume. But Jano, as well the dog has said, them people, yeah, them man, youth are where take up badness. Real bad man now come on social media, come diggy and giggy. Cause this way all the shooter come up on the youth, him in a one mask, him in a one of them N95 mask, or one of them look basic, regular, disposable mask, and hoodie. So you know see nothing, any evidence. I don't know which evidence you'd have to get find out at all, but you know see nothing. And people, trust me, this is gruesome. Only if you want to watch the video on mountain.com, want to see it, it is gruesome.
Yo, man, I need somebody to send me the Tik Tok a code of conduct book for Jamaica. Because there have to be some kind of rules when it comes to TikToker at Jamaica. There have to be some kind of TikTok government there at Jamaica. Why the TikToker them always get targeted so. Because there is no way you can tell me some man like one Baba Skeng, just a vibe on TikTok, a play a match, and a man just walk up on him and dot him just so. Yeah, man, it have to be something, man. Some kind of rules did it where the man then don't know about where I get broken. You see me? Some kind of rule have to did it where the man them don't know about and it a get broken. So here me I say, if you don't have a rule for TikToker, send it to me because me don't want to go my yard. First of all, me don't live a yard, you know. But me don't want to go there knowing that me is a man who frequent on TikTok. And just because me dey on TikTok, me just land as soon as me land, a man come done ground me. If you don't have a rules and regulation for TikTok or Jamaica, please send it to me. Boy, I tell you, I don't understand how the man them just a kill off a little TikTok man them so. I don't know. It crazy that.
You know, so sometimes when you can't even feel sorry for them youth, yeah. Because if them know what life is really worth, you know, them would cherish it, you know. Them would protect their life, you know. But it's like them don't know what life really is worth. So them just freely give it up just like that. Yeah, man, more time when you can't feel sorry for them, man. Because them out here do the wrong thing and I know, say, yo, if you not dig one hole, you need to dig two. Because uno out here do wrong things and I know say yo, uno life is at risk too. Look on this youth here. Come on live and I mix up in a wrong thing. Cause I make sure I play the first video for uno, you know. And show uno how him carry on and I go on. So you know say the youth here in love with the badness lifestyle. You hear me say? Rifle him a lift up and rare. So me a show the people say them youth here choose the road already where they want to walk pan, but still no know say is a thin ice them a walk pan. So any moment it can crack for them.
Yeah, man, we done home over them dead man. And boy, and I watch out. No, watch it. Watch it. Pro boxer jive by itself, brother. Look. Pro boxer jive by itself. Look. Pussy. I don't make no money, man. My friend them rich. No boy try this, my friend too. More than 1,000 rifle fire for him. Now.
Ah boy, more than 1,000 rifle fire for him, man. Yeah, man, I saw you for talk, man. You see it and you meet your demise now. Then youth you need for learn, people. Them youth you need for learn. Well, as me said, them choose the road where them want to walk on, so them have to walk on it. Nobody now hold them and walk with them on the road where them walk on. So them have to walk on it by themselves. So me don't know what more to say about these youths and youths of Jamaica and the youths of tomorrow. And then the wickedest thing is, like the youths, the younger youths than these youths, see it and feel as if it's something good to walk in the same road are the same part. Like, they're not making any example. They're not making any changes for the youths of tomorrow, like the 6 and the 7 and the 8 and the 9-year-old them. They make the youth them see them thing and feel like it's something to dabble and dibble in it because, oh, it's a cultural thing. It's good to dead. It's good to go up in a badness and take up gun and rare. And me now go tell you no lie, when me did live at Jamaica, yeah, me hold gun, but me never walk up and down like me a bad man. Somebody give me one gun for wall and that was it. I'm hold the gun in my hand and I say to myself, say, hey, if police ever run up on you with that gun here and you know, say you're dirt flattened upon the ground, I'm say to myself, Father God, never again put me in that position, where me I go hold gun in my hand because my life is precious to me. Me not ready for it go yet. Me have so much thing to achieve, so much thing to accomplish in a life. So me don't tell and promise myself, say, me never again. So them youth is like they don't have a mind of their own. Them not consciously think about their life and know say, yo, you know, say when we reach down at the end of the road, you know, things will happen to me, you know, cause if me follow that path, things will happen to me. People, let me know what you think in the comment section because I've had enough of these things. Too many times. Share your thoughts, comment in the comment section and let me know what you think you know already. A vibes and insight with another one. Mad, I'm out.
Oh, God, man, right now, my top go live. See Babas King I go live yesterday on the live, man just go and shoot him, brawling, middle there. Look like all in a crowd too. Like it I get about 15 shot. Me alone see that the video they on live.